Hi, and welcome to TEMEKO. In this video, we will take a look at what is the role of a scalar or a vector in mechanics, especially in statics, and what is the difference between the two. Let's get started. Your first question about scalars and vectors might be what their purpose is. Where do we need them in mechanics? Well, to answer that, we must first understand their definition. Let's start by talking about scalars. In mechanics, we call a quantity which can have a positive or a negative number but no direction a scalar variable. Everyday life examples of scalar variables are time, mass, and speed. These scalar quantities are usually accompanied by units of measurement. For example, the second is the base unit of time, whereas the kilogram is the base unit of mass in the metric system. The most common scalars that we use in statics are volume, length, and mass. At this point, you may wonder how a vector then differs from a scalar. Well, the answer is quite simple. A scalar variable has only a magnitude, whereas a vector has both a magnitude and a direction. The most common vector quantities that we usually encounter in statics are force, moment, and displacement, which have both a magnitude and a direction. When we want to describe a vector by using typing, we represent it in boldface, for example, A. This is the convention we will follow in all our courses. On the other hand, if you want to describe a vector graphically, then you need to use an arrow, which is used to define the direction and the magnitude of the vector. The magnitude is demonstrated by the length of the arrow, and the direction is the angle between the reference axis and the arrow's line and its head. And now back to the main question of today. Where do we need scalars and vectors? I think you may already know this by now. We use them to express mathematically most of the physical quantities in our world. So as you can see, their role in mechanics is quite significant. Hopefully after watching this video, you know what scalars and vectors are, what is their difference, and what role they have in mechanics. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.